YouTube. What up? It is your boy, The Second. We are here on this lovely and glorious day. It's a beautiful day. And today's video is sponsored by Cheat Code Algo. This is an amazing tool that's going to help me and help you, show you how to get some paper by using your brain and this phone. This video today is going to show you how you could have got some option plays or one option play that would have made you $3,000. Yeah, cash money. If you're interested in making money from your phone, I suggest you stay tuned to this video. I suggest you like this video, share it with somebody like your auntie or your sister, and most importantly, make sure you go click the description below to show how Cheat Code can help you today. Let's get into this video. You did. All right, first things first. This is something that Cheat Code released. It is called Trade Hero. Now, what this thing does is it sends you out text. And if you don't believe me, I can show you here on the phone, but what I'm also going to be doing is throughout the video, showing you screenshots. And as you see, we have Robinhood pulled up. So I got my notes on the screen. I got my Robinhood right here so I can show y'all some of the profits that I personally made and some of the profits that people in the Discord themselves have made. This is Cheat Code's Discord. They have 18,000 people in there and it's free, so I suggest you check that out. So one of the first things they called out was an American Airlines $14 call. Okay, so this was a short swing. So what we're going to do is pull up our screen right here. Now what I'm going to be doing in this video is showing you some of the plays where I had the most winnings. That's what we're going to be bringing you damn near every day on this channel. And this one was a very slight one, but short one. This was a play they called out on December 4th. As you see, it's about $13.35. And I'm going to go ahead and slap on the screen right there some of the profits I was able to make. Because you see, I got my black ass out of there at $14.59 because I wanted to take profit and I was just getting back into the options market. So for me, I made a cool little $20. Yes, round of applause, $20 cash. But a win is a win in my book, you dig. And that's not all. I want to show you some of the winnings that people have had from my Discord, from some of the plays that Cheat Code Algo has helped us get. And what I wanted to do right here was take you to some of the reason why I believe that American Airlines went crazy. You know me. I'm just an investor. I like to trade off of news sentiment and where did the hedge funds put their money? Where did the rich people put their money? But this tool, Cheat Code Algo, is going to help. It's going to help you because it's going to do that for you. It does technical analysis for you. If you want to trade stocks or use charts with them, use your favorite brokerages like TradingView or whatever platform you enjoy, and they have all the alerts to tell you when to sell or when to buy. Okay, it's amazing. Now look at this. You see that the U.S. judge blocks JetBlue from acquiring Spirit Airlines. And if you didn't know, you kind of like me, I didn't know that JetBlue and American Airlines had an alliance. But now it's starting to wind down. And look at this. JetBlue is going to go ahead and buy Spirit. I've never flown Spirit, but a lot of y'all be getting flued out. This is what y'all be getting flued out on. This is a $3.8 billion acquisition. They said no. And as a result, you see the stock went down 47% on Tuesday. So that's kind of why I went ahead and got in and got out. We want to take all our profits when we can. Let me know what you think of that play. Now, this next one is a way we were going to get paid. This is the $3,000 option that you probably missed out on. This is Coinbase's option play, and this was brought to me by Trade Hero. And what's crazy is, I don't know if you can see on the screen, this was the first day I joined it. If you can't see, I will screenshot this. It says right here, it shows you a couple option plays that they were going to get in, and it says congrats to everyone who played in the Coinbase Leap call we called out a couple weeks ago. And what call are they talking about? They're talking about this. On November 14th, you see this stock was $92.09. This is not fabricated. This is on Robinhood. You see it. Plain English is right here. $92. And then guess what it did? They had us get out of there. This is a super short swing, and people made bank. So you went from 92 to 141. And let me show you what ChatGPT thinks of this growth. So as you see right here, I had ChatGPT solve some of this equation for us to see how were people profiting? How much did it cost us initially to get in? So as you scroll down, you see right here, the calculated summary is that this would have cost you $600 to buy this option call. I don't know if you had the $600, but it would have resulted in you of a $3,000 profit. $3,000 profit from $600 sounds pretty amazing to me. And some of the things that got Coinbase super hot right now, and I believe it to have an amazing future, is that Coinbase and SEC still trying to sue them people and get them in court, but they already lost to XRP, and I think Coinbase is going to be just fine here in court. It's a stock that is surging. As you know, crypto ETFs just went through, so this is amazing. You see Gensler over there. Boy, you need to fix the top of that head. Boy, I don't know what you got going. But people, that's going to do it for the video. You let me know what you think of these option plays. You let me know what you think of Cheat Code Algo below. So what I got for you below is a free trial as well. If you need the free trial and you want to use this for 7 days, yeah, I said it. I got you. Said she got you. 7 days for free. Click below. If you want to get the text that comes to your phone like this, right here, these beautiful things, this is $1 a day. If you buy Netflix, Hulu, Some of y'all got OnlyFans. Well, you freaky as hell. You need to invest in your future. This is $1 a day. It's called Trade Hero. I got that link below. Make sure you like my channel, but most importantly, make sure you spread love, spread good energy, get that paper, and go click below to follow Cheat Code, Algo, everywhere they're at. Instagram, every link below is amazing. Until next time, stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. You did.